In today's video, our discussion is on prohibited words on Amazon KDP. All right, because many people have had issues because of this, and some have had their accounts terminated because of this problem. So, there are some words you're not allowed to use on Amazon KDP when you're writing your description, or most importantly, when you are inserting your back end keywords. Okay, those seven bosses. Number one on the list is free. Okay, no matter how interesting your book is, or maybe how high the sales potentials is, don't use the word free at the back end keyword. I was guilty of this some time ago when I didn't know. So I published the book, I hit the publish button, waiting for my book to be published. After about 12 hours, it reverts to draft. And I was wondering what's the issue. I proceeded again to I hit the publish button after I checked everything. It was still reverted back to draft again. Until I decided to write to KDP. What's happening? What's the issue? Why are you guys returning my book to draft when I know that I did everything myself? And they said, hold on, we will get back to you. So the staff went through my book, checked everything, and she wrote back to me that the reason was because I used free at the back end keyword section, that I should remove that for my book to fly. And which I did. I removed that free and the book was published. Then another keyword you need to avoid, or another word you need to avoid using on Amazon KDP, especially the back end keyword, is using words or author's name that is already existing on your niche. All right, using author's name that is already existing on your niche. If you're publishing with pen name, I don't expect you to publish with the same pen name that's already existing on that particular niche. So, for example, I'm into software, all right, and I wrote a book on Microsoft 365. Okay, now and give it an author's name known as Kevin Mike. All right, you as a person, you may still go and write a book on Microsoft 365 for beginners, but using Kevin Mike as your pen name is a red flag. You don't do that. All right. Because if you do that, Amazon may end up doing what? Drafting that book or removing that book. So I wouldn't like you to face that stress. So if you know before you write, make research on some existing pen names or original names on Amazon. All right. In a particular niche you want to publish on. If that name is already existing in that niche, don't use that name. Choose another pen name. Or if you must, you add a middle name or an initial. All right, that makes the difference. But I will say, forget about that pen name. Even if it's your original name, but someone else have used it in that particular niche, forget about it. Find a different pen name and use to publish that book to avoid problems. Okay. All right, another word you need to avoid was is using best selling. Okay, maybe you want to have best selling book. All right, at the back end keyword section. All right, or even in the description, it's not allowed. Don't do that because you know Amazon show people products based on the text they type in the search. Okay, so if you use best selling, you may have more advantage than others. That's why they're doing all these things. Because somebody may type best selling book on retirement plan and your book will pop up because it has best selling. So they don't want you to maybe have a upper hand than other books. And that's why they say we don't want you to use word like best selling when you are publishing your book, maybe at the back end keyword section or in the description. So please avoid that, okay? No matter how good your book seems to be. Then the next one is using author's name in the back end keyword section, those seven boxes. Maybe there is a book you are writing, maybe a retirement plan for seniors, and there's a book that's performing very well already, written by Mike Kevin. All right, I like using this as an example, written by Mike Kevin. And now, because you want to drive traffic to your book to show people that okay, this your book is like Mike Kevin's book, you go at the back end keyword and add back Kevin, Kevin, Mike Kevin. So it's an error. Don't do that because you want to drive traffic for people to see your book too after buying maybe Mike Kevin's book. It's wrong. It's wrong. Don't do that. Okay. The guy has already made name for himself. So you make your own name, grow your own brand. Okay. So if you use that and Amazon maybe through during content review finds out, they may end up removing that book. Or in worst case scenario, they will end up terminating your account. So build your brand, put your effort, and you will get it right. Okay. If God says you gotta make money without paying them. Okay. So forget that. Okay. Another thing you have to do, you do not, I don't know what you should not use is all related word to your book. A word or words that are not related to your book. Maybe, for example, you are writing a book on how to use a computer, all right? And because you know that keyword like retirement is hot cake, it drives traffic. You go there and have retirement in your keyword, in the keyword section. It's an offense. Don't do that. It may result in account termination. Because you see, many people want to use trick to make money on Amazon KDP, but these guys have come out fully to tell you we are not here to play. All right, you're not here to play. If you do anyhow, you will see anyhow. If you do anything that is contrary to our terms and conditions, we don't care removing you from our system. So avoid all these problems. And once you avoid them, you will excel in self-publishing. Your account will stay healthy and you will keep on making money from the platform no matter how small it is. Okay. Okay, that's all for this section. So if you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, self-publishing, and YouTube education. Why we are doing all this in one channel on one channel is because we want you to learn across all areas. If you come here for self-publishing and you learn some things on tech, it's not bad. It's an added knowledge, all right? So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have questions concerning this or anything on Amazon KDP. Ask me. I've been an experienced somebody on the platform for over 10 years. So you can ask me a question. If I have an answer, I will provide for you. Okay. So don't forget, hit the like button. So that's all for the day. Okay. You can watch this video here to learn more on Amazon KDP. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.